So we made a little progress with the monstrosity today. Pulled a lot of wasps and mud and fucking general detritus out of it. And it makes noises. Doesn't make parts, but it makes noises. Makes sparks. Oh, nice low amperage. So we got the primary drive running. Check this out. Oh, secondary drive's running. It's only running on the lowest spindle speed so far, but I think that's all we really need to know for right now. But wait, there's more. Take out the secondary. Turn in the tumbler box. Oh. Cross feed, power feed. Turning power feed. Haven't actually tried the half nut yet, so this could get interesting. Yep. That's a pretty fast pitch, but it works. Forward, reverse the tumbler. Whew, yeah, she didn't like that. That was a fast pitch. There she goes. Comes right along backwards. Man. It's a good little unit so far. I'm going to make some chips this week. So far it's cost me about 3/4 of a can of 3-in-1 oil. So far I'm still up.